Common used English sentences. Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Peter. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. Have a nice day. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I go to school by bus. I am hungry. I'm tired. I don't understand. Can you help me? What time is it? Where is the bathroom? What are you doing? How much is this? Yes, I do. No, I don't. I think so. Maybe later. Of course. Thank you very much. You're welcome. I'm sorry.